FSG sales team. This is a quick demo video on the CRM application on updating accounts and managing contacts. So this is a short list of accounts that are assigned. There's 20 here. What you'll find is when you click all territories and use this drop down and make sure you select my favorites, you click on the star for my accounts. That way it opens and populates immediately when you log in. Just a little trick there. So you click on my accounts, you'll see this same screen that I'm seeing. The account name, account type, whether it's a prospect or a client, the FSG number, if you do have an FSG account number, if it's a client, for an example, these two need to be updated. So now it's a client, these are new orders, new potentials that we closed or I closed. So I want to make sure that I add the FSG account number in there. In this module, we'll demo a few. So, and then the industry. So make sure that if you don't have the industry, you can select it. These two are old, so I'm going to go ahead and use the mass update. This is just kind of a quick demo on you can update prospect account type or industry type by selecting one or many. And then we want to change the industry for these two units to specialty retail. These are the retail or industry names and terms that we've got in our system. To keep it simple, specialty retail will cover everything from grocery to gas station to small box, anything unique. And then big box is different. It's a separate account. It's a different animal altogether. And then the rest are pretty self-explanatory. If you've got a question about these, ask your sales manager. So I'm going to click save. Again, the mass update did happen. Last activity date is important to see whether or not you're working the accounts. You can sort by those dates. You can see the account owner here, so everything is great. So let's go ahead and look at an account. I'm going to go here to this first one down here, Sears Holding. This is an account with an FSG. It's a big box. You can see the FSG account number and site is set up. This is the master. The phone number, any information that you can provide is going to be great. And so the physical address. And what you can see under this account, you're going to see relative potentials that are tied to this. Physical account makes it easy for you to click and go through. On this main account, this master account for Sears, you'll also want to add all of your contacts. And if you've got Google linked to Zoho, which you should, if you don't, watch the demo video or contact your sales manager to help you do that. It will populate on your phone and across all your activities. It'll also populate your calendar activities. So that's the account. Now let's look at a physical contact. So this Keith Klug is the main lead for Sears. So I'm going to click on Keith. I have a lot of activity with Keith. And what you'll see is I've not entered any information other than what's relevant to his contact, and I want it to be on my phone. I can see that I have LinkedIn empty here, so I left that on purpose. I really enjoy using LinkedIn to copy my customers' information, to really take a look at a picture. So I can go ahead and take a screenshot of his picture, which is kind of cool. When you click on contact information, all of it's relevant is there. What I'm looking for specific is a unique identifier to his LinkedIn resource. And so I can go ahead and copy that, and I'm going to go ahead and back to this location, add it in there, and his LinkedIn link will be there. I can also change the profile picture to the snapshot that I just took. I want to drag that snapshot over. Oh, don't want to drag it over. I want to get into the file. So let's go back to that. Sorry about that. Little error. So I'm going to go to Keith Klug. I'm going to click change, and I'm going to select the photo from the computer. There's the screenshot. I'm going to go ahead and add that. It'll take a few minutes to load, a few seconds to load. There it is. Excellent. We'll go ahead and try to crop it the best we can just to kind of get a look at his mugshot. All right, so now it'll update the account, which is great. You can see it. Also, you'll see a relative potential tied to him, and what's really great is if you have calendar set up and as well as email, all of this information is going to trend. You're going to see activity will be trending on here, so your sales manager or program manager will be able to identify that you are working this lead and account, which is great. So there you have it, quick demo on accounts and contacts. Have a great day.